let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing.
Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Shout out to my new subscribers, shout out to my old subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, honey, what is you doing? Go ahead and hit subscribe. And also follow your girl on Instagram. Okay, I'm popping on Instagram. Alright, Mrs. Pesos. Okay, so today's video, basically, I'm just coming on here to announce my giveaway winner, you guys. Yes. Okay, so in the future, I am going to be having more giveaways for you guys. But, what happened with this giveaway is I wanted to announce the giveaway winner once I hit 1,000 subscribers, but y'all know YouTube is going slow for me, y'all, on YouTube. I'm basically doing way better on Instagram than I am on YouTube, so that's why I let y'all know to follow your girl on Instagram. Okay, but anyways, the giveaway winner, hey, okay, so giveaway winner, you have a week to go ahead and hit me up and let me know that you wanted to accept the prize or whatever. Okay, and this giveaway is featuring Iconic Gold Hair Collection, you guys. Please check that out. I'll make sure to leave everything down in the description box below. Okay, so you can check the website out. But the giveaway winner is Asia Lachey. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So yes, girl, come and get your prize, girl. Okay, give me all your information so I can get this prize sent out to you as soon as possible. Okay, so that's basically it for you guys right now with this little video. My camera is fixing to die. No, okay, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the love. Thanks. I really love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.